The news came to Jesus, please came fast. Lazarus sick, and without your help, he will not last. Mary and Martha watched their brother die. They waited for Jesus, he did not come, and they wonder why. The death watch was over, burying for days. Somebody said he'll soon be here, the Lord on his way. Mother ran to him, and then she cried, Lord, if you have been here, you call of heal him, he'll still be alive. But you're 4 days late, and all hope is gone. Lord, we don't understand why you waited so long, but his way is God's way, not yours or mine. And isn't it great when he's 4 days late, he's still on time. Jesus said, Martha, show me the grave. But she said, Lord, they don't understand, he's been there for days. The gravestone was rolled back, then Jesus cries, Lazarus come first. Then somebody said, he's alive, he's alive. You may be fighting a battle of fear. You cry to the Lord, I need you now, but he has not appeared. Friend, don't be discouraged, 'cause he's still the same. He'll soon be here, he rolled back the stone, and he cut out your name. When his 4 days late, and all hope is gone, Lord, we don't understand why you waited so long, but his way is God's way, not yours or mine. And isn't it great when he's 4 days late, he's still on time, he's still on high.